Tools for guys. We get the job done.
Breaking news now, Tools for Guys have released new t-shirt designs. If you think this one's cool, check the link in the description below.
Hey, Jason here with Tools for Guys, and today I want to go over how to replace your home air filters. Now I know, right, you're thinking, oh, that's pretty basic. I get it, but you know what? I am the least do-it-yourselfer when it comes to my brothers and my dad, and also 30% of our viewers are women. And my wife said she thinks this would be actually a great video to do. I get it, it's very basic, but I just want to run through very quickly. So let's just get right to it. First of all, every filter in the home can be a different size, okay? So you do want to make sure you measure before ordering. A lot of the times, if you're buying, your homes are generally going to already have them, even if it's a new home. So you can always just check to see what size is already up there. But if for some reason you didn't have that, you're starting from scratch, you actually threw them away, you can do some measurements real quickly, okay? And I'll share with you what to measure. But you can see here, ours is a 20 by 30 by 1 inch, right? And we have 2 of those in the house, and then we have one that's quite a bit smaller, probably about 10 by 10, roughly. You can also see there's a date here. You can put the date. I used to put the date in. The challenge with that is to see the date, you then still have to get out your ladder and go up and see the date. So really what we do now, my wife actually has these already on, reoccurring with Amazon every quarter, every 90 days they're ordered. So that helps us because when they come in, we know it's time. She also has it on her calendar on her iPhone as a reoccurring item for us to take care of. So those are some of the other areas that you can just kind of keep as a reminder of when they need to be replaced. Now, the only thing you really need, depending on the height of your ceiling, is a ladder. Ours is a little bit higher ceilings. And I'm also short. I'm 5'4", so I need it's a 6-foot ladder. So you might also need a flathead screwdriver, only because there's a couple of clips to basically open up if you can see the gate there. And sometimes they just get a little bit tough to do it with just your finger. I've already kind of loosened it up, so I don't have that, but you may need that. All right, so let's go ahead. We're gonna go up here, and if you could follow me. All right, so there's 2 clips, latches, whatever you want to call them. All you gotta do is undo those, kind of maybe sometimes prop it up. Yours might be looser than mine. Even though they're loose, it's still in there, so you might just have to push slightly to one side, and then there you go. And then there's 2 also grooves on this side where it's hanging, so as long as they don't come out, you're good just to slowly lower that. And then you can see, right, it's being sucked up. The air is being sucked up this way, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and just take this out. It's a little snug. I'm gonna take that out. Connor, can you hand me that one? No, that one right there. Can you take that one?
Yeah.
All right, thank you. And then the other thing, you see I don't know if you can see right here on this, but there's an arrow that says airflow, okay? So remember, this is air being sucked up into the attic, okay? Sucked out of the house. So you wanna make sure that you're putting this, it says which way the air's flowing that way. So you want this arrow pointing up towards the ceiling. And then we just put that in. Look at that, I don't know if you saw that. You can see it actually suck up, okay? So you want that arrow pointing up, that's the most important. And then all we do is just go back, make sure they're in their grooves with these latches or clips, tighten those back down. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. So again, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.